Recently we discovered that we had a structural problem. The window and fireplace had separated from the masonry of the house, and we had heard that Ramjack was a reputable company, so we called Ed Griffin. He came out immediately, and after showing us an engineered design document about how it needed to be repaired, we told him to go ahead with the work. The company was very helpful in terms of an easy pay system, and the workers have been wonderful, and Ed has been wonderful, and we're pleased.
I'm Ed Griffin. We're here at the O'Neill's home today doing a repair that was designed by an engineer. The best way to do a repair. As you can see, the guys are doing a lot of work by hand. They're doing a great job of what they're doing. We will take this chimney and push this chimney back to the veneer where it's coming off the house. We try to take care of what we do. We look after the landscape. We look after the people's homes. We try to treat their homes as if they were our homes. That's Ramjack.